Hello friends, in this video we will see the best performing SBI mutual funds that we can consider while selecting any of the mutual fund investment. First and foremost, let us understand some basic information about SBI Mutual Fund House or SBI AMC. This SBI Mutual Fund got established in the year 1987. Its headquarters is located at Mumbai, India. The official website of SBI Mutual Fund House is http://www.sbimf.com. When you log into this website, you will be able to see all the available schemes. In addition to that, you will be able to create your new investment account with SBI Mutual Fund. You can select whatever fund you prefer to invest, either in SIP or lump sum method. Both the methods are allowed for your investment. There are more than 119 different mutual funds being offered by this SBI AMC, which includes equity, debt, hybrid or balanced, in addition to gold investment and ETFs. Without any further delays, let's get straight into the top performing mutual funds being offered by SBI Mutual Fund. The first fund that we are going to see is an equity fund, falls under the focused category. We can consider this as a flexi cap fund. The fund name is Focused Equity Fund Direct Plan and Growth. Let us see some basic information about SBI Focused Equity Fund. In case you want to invest in SIP, minimum you have to spend 500 rupees. In case of lump sum, the initial investment has to be 5000 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 0.69% as on August 31, 2021. The asset which is getting managed under this fund is around 21,676 crores. There is no lock-in associated with this fund. The benchmark which is being tracked by this fund is SBI BSE 500 Total Return Index. It indicates that the investment made on this fund will be used to buy and sell stocks which are listed under index BSE 500. Since it's going to be focused fund, the fund manager work will be more. He will be buying and selling the stocks based on the market condition. The investment return will be more because the risk of investing in this fund is bit more. This fund comes with an exit load of 1% if you try to redeem your investment within the period of 1 year. Let us understand the riskometer associated with this fund. Since it is going to be focused fund, the risk of investing in this fund is going to be very high. We have to keep that in your mind before you select investing this fund. Let us see the ratings given by Value Research for this fund. The fund has got 5-star rating from Value Research and 4-star rating from Morningstar. Let us look at the absolute investment return in percentage of this fund. If you have invested in the last 3 months, you would have got the return of 16.72%. In the last 6 months, it has generated the return of 30.69%. In the last 1 year, it has got the return of 56.52%. In the last 3 years, it has generated the return of 108.69%, which is really high for a fund which falls under focused category. To simplify this calculation, I have created the return for the investment of 10,000 rupees. In the last 3 months, 10,000 investment would have yielded us 1,672 rupees. In the last 1 year, it would have given us the income of 5,652 rupees. In the last 3 years, it would have generated the return of 10,869 rupees. In the last 5 years, it would have given the return of 17,513 rupees, which indicates that we would have got 170% of return for our investment. The next fund which is in our list is going to be an equity fund which falls under small cap category. The fund name is Small Cap Fund Direct Growth Plan. Let us understand some basic information about SBI Small Cap Direct Growth Plan. In case you want to invest in SIP mode, you have to start with minimum 500 rupees. In case of lump sum, it has to be started with 1000 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 0.79% as on August 31st. The AUM managed under this fund is 10,625 crores. There is no lock-in period for investing in this fund. The benchmark which is getting tracked by this fund is BSE Small Cap Total Return Index. The asset under this management will be used to buy and sell stocks which are listed under Small Cap Total Return Index. The exit load associated with this fund is 1% in case you redeem the investment within 1 year. Now let us see the risk associated with this fund. Since it's a small cap fund, the investment risk is very high. You have to keep that in your mind. Let us understand the ratings given by Value Research for this fund, which is going to be 5-star. Morningstar has given the rating of 4-star for this SBI small cap fund. Let us see the investment return in absolute numbers in percentage. In the last 3 months, it has given the return of 15.69%, whereas in the last 6 months, it has given the return of 21.36%. In the last 1 year, we would have got the return of 62.34%. In the last 3 years, it has generated the return of 120.14%. Let us see this calculation with an example investment of 10,000. Invested amount 10,000 would have given the return of 1,568 rupees in the last 3 months. In case of last 1 year, it would have generated the return of 6,233 rupees. In the last 3 years, it would have given the return of 12,013 rupees. In case of 5 years, we would have got the return of 21,543 rupees. This is one of the best small cap fund that we can consider. In our list, we will see the next fund, which is also going to be in equity category, but it is going to be a hybrid fund. The fund name is Equity Hybrid Fund Direct Plan Growth. If you look at closely, I have chosen all the funds in a direct plan, and it's going to be growth plan as well. It is highly recommended that we choose direct plan growth. The reason is that direct plans will have less expense ratio, so that our return will be more, and it is better to choose growth plan in place of dividend plans. Let us look at the basic information of SBI Equity Hybrid Fund. In case you are looking for SIP investment, you have to start with minimum 500 rupees. In case of lump sum, the minimum has to start with 1000 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 0.88% as on August 31st, 2021. The asset managed under this fund is around 48,043 crores. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund. The benchmark which is getting tracked by this fund is CRISIL Hybrid 35 plus 36 Aggressive Index. There is a 1% of exit load in case you try to redeem this fund within 1 year. Let us look at the riskometer associated with the fund. Since it's a equity aggressive fund, the risk of investing in this fund is going to be very high. We have to keep that in your mind before you choose this fund for investing. Let us look at the ratings given by Value Research, which is going to be 4-star. Morningstar has given the rating of 4-star for this fund. Now it's time to look into the absolute investment return in percentage. In the last 3 months, it has performed really well, and it has given the return of 6.33%. In the last 6 months, it has given the return of 13.84%. In case of last 1 year, the return is 32.39%. In case of last 3 years, it has given the return of 67.12%. Let us simplify this equation with the investment amount of 10,000. Investment 10,000 would have given you the return of 632 rupees in the last 3 months. In the last 1 year, it would have given the return of 3,238 rupees. In case of last 3 years, it would have given the return of 6,712 rupees. The absolute investment return in the last 5 years stands around 10,688 rupees. Now we have come to the end of the video. So far we have discussed the 3 best performing mutual funds provided by SBI Mutual Fund House. I hope this video was very helpful for choosing the mutual funds in case you are going for SBI. I hope you like this video. In case you do, please do subscribe for our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.